Hi everyone. Did you know that 1 and 2% in Canada are expected to have cancer in their lifetime, according to the Canadian Cancer Society? This stats is crazy. Cancer is one of the deadliest diseases on earth. And in this presentation, I will show you step by step how this disease is formed from a tiny cell to a giant tumor. There are four steps in this process: the mutation, the creation of the tumor, the growth of the tumor, and the spread of the tumor. The first step is the mutation. A cancer starts in a cell in your body, and more specifically in the nucleus with the gene. According to the American Cancer Society, the genes are part of DNAs that shows how to make the proteins that are essential in your body. In other words, the DNA inside the gene have all the information to allow your body to work properly. When the genes are changing during the cell division by mistakes, we start to talk about a mutation. A mutation plays an important role in the development of a cancer. A mutation is a permanent change in the DNA that can be caused by many factors, such as smoking or inherited gene mutation. This alteration in the DNA can cause these cells to produce or not to produce proteins, which can lead to the cell to grow out of control, and which can lead to a cancer. Usually, a cancer appears after many gene changes. The second step is the creation of a tumor. After the mutation has been done, a cancer will continue to grow in the tissue where it has developed since the beginning. If the immune system doesn't kill the cancer cell, or if the cancer cell does ignore the chemical signal emitted, chemical signal that notified them to stop multiplying, the cancer will continue to multiply itself and will form a cancer. A cancer can be not a cancer, a tumor. A cancer can develop into two types of tumor: a benign and a malignant. A benign tumor is a tumor that grows quite slowly and doesn't spread into other locations in your body. However, a malignant tumor is a tumor that grows quite quickly and does spread into other locations in the body. Through the blood and lymph vessels. Lymph vessels is another type of vessels in your body. The third step is growth of the tumor. After a certain limit, the cancer needs, like normal cells, need more nutrients and oxygen to grow, and these substances are brought by the blood and lymph vessels. Therefore, when the tumor grows, the cells inside it will send chemical signals to produce more lymph vessels and blood vessels to allow the tumor to grow. This is called angiogenesis, and that's why tumor can get that big. The fourth step is the spread of the tumor. A cancer can be spread to surrounding tissues by invading them. It can do it by killing the normal cells by producing enzymes that kill them. Also, a tumor can spread cancer cells by the blood or the lymph vessels to other locations to form other tumors that are called metastases through the bloodstream and the lymph vessels. When a cancer spread itself, they tend to spread into particular location. For example, according to the Canadian Cancer Society, a cancer can spread into every part of your body. However, it has more chance to be spread in the lymph nodes, the bones, the brain, the liver, or the lungs. Finally, The cancer is a disease that starts with many mistakes in the DNA and ends up ends up with a tumor that can become deadly and that can spread in other location. Cancer can happen in every organ, such as the pancreas, the brain, the liver, etc. Now that you have a better understanding of this disease, you can understand now why it is so difficult to find a solution to this big disease. Thank you for listening to me.